Good morning and welcome back to Joe's Allotments channel. If you want to follow us, please subscribe to get tips and gardening tips as well, and follow our journey through the seasons on our allotments. Today what I'm going to do is make a plant-based coleslaw, which is rich and creamy. We grow a lot of salad stuff, so it's a good addition to our salads. Adds a nice delicious flavour. It's full of vitamins, minerals and antioxidants. It's a lovely delicious flavour. So what I do is I chop up 3 cups of white cabbage, to which I add 3 cups of red cabbage, half a cup of raisins, which adds a nice sweetness to it. So this coleslaw is egg free, oil free and sugar free. Very, very good for you, very, very healthy. 1 apple chopped. 1 carrot, it's a couple of carrots actually, a couple of carrots or 1 large carrot, and 1 red onion. That's all the ingredients in there. Chuck all those in. So it's a very rich and creamy mixture because of the sauce that's added to it. So I'll mix all those thoroughly together in a moment. And what we use is half a cup of cashews to half a cup of water. And these have been left in soak for a while to soften up the nuts. To which we add 1 clove of garlic. I add 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. And 1 tablespoon of whole grain mustard. So they'll go in together. So mix all these ingredients together thoroughly, and this will keep in the fridge for 4 or 5 days. And we make this mixture up once a week really. As I said, we grow a lot of our own salad stuff, and this is a lovely addition to the salads. Gives it a lovely flavour. So I'll put the top on the blender. So that's all been blended. Together. That's a nice, creamy, rich sauce. Pour that on. Pour that all on. So this is oil-free, sugar-free, egg-free coleslaw. Delicious and lovely to taste. Give it a good mix up together. Merge all the flavours to make sure the sauce is covering all the coleslaw. As I said, this goes in the fridge, lasts us about 4 to 5 days, and we make a batch sort of roughly once a week.